In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the canvas size in Canva, a very handy tool for those looking to customize their designs efficiently. Whether you're creating material for print, social media, or any other platform, adjusting your canvas size is an essential step to ensure your design meets your specifications. Let's dive into it. First of all, make sure you're logged into your Canva Pro account since this feature requires the Pro version. Once you're all set, locate and open the design you want to work with. On the top menu, you'll find a handy button labeled Resize. Go ahead and click on that. It's a simple button with a big impact, and it opens up the possibilities for your design needs. When you click Resize, you'll notice a list of suggested sizes popping up immediately. These are preset dimensions for various types of content such as Instagram posts, Facebook covers, or presentations. If you find a size here that matches your needs, simply select it. It can save you a lot of time, especially if you're working with standard dimensions. But let's say you have a unique requirement, Canva has you covered here too. For that, look for the custom size option next to the suggested sizes. Clicking on this option gives you the flexibility to enter exact dimensions tailored to your specific project requirements. You'll need to input values for both the width and height, allowing for precision. Be sure to match these dimensions to the measurement unit you're working in, whether it's pixels, inches, or millimeters. Once you've got your dimensions set, whether it's from the suggested sizes or the custom values you've entered, the next step is to apply these changes. At the bottom of the resize panel, you'll see a button saying resize this design. Click on it. This action will adjust your canvas to the selected dimensions, and all your current design elements will be adapted to fit. Now take a moment to review your newly resized design. Everything's in place, but you may need to tweak a few elements for the perfect layout. Changing the canvas size is just one part. Ensure that your visuals maintain their integrity and aesthetics after resizing. And that's it. With these steps, you have the power to adjust your design's canvas size to fit any project seamlessly. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.